Rolling the dice, unveiling the mystery. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase, rolling the dice. This expression is commonly used in English, but what does it really mean? Let's unravel the mystery together. Remember, understanding such phrases can enhance your English communication skills significantly. Rolling the dice originates from the game of dice, where players literally roll dice to get a random result. In our daily language, this phrase has taken on a metaphorical meaning. It's used to describe taking a risk or a chance where the outcome is uncertain, just like in the game. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in everyday conversation. For example, if someone says, "I'm rolling the dice and starting my own business," they mean they're taking a chance on starting a new venture without knowing how it will turn out. It's about embracing uncertainty for a potential reward. This phrase isn't just limited to personal decisions. It can be used in various contexts like business, sports, and even relationships. In business, a CEO might roll the dice on a new market strategy. In sports, a coach might roll the dice by choosing an unconventional play. Rolling the dice is a vibrant and versatile phrase in the English language. It encapsulates the spirit of risk and chance in a way that's easy to understand and relate to. We hope this video has helped you grasp this interesting expression. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using it like a native speaker.